Word of the week, inspection. Inspection means examine someone or something to ensure that they reach an official standard. Inspect. This is the most crucial part and the most fun part. It's to see what the property is made of, the quality and the quantity. Inspection means to view closely in a critical appraisal. In other words, to look over. To see in an official or professional capacity. Examine carefully for accuracy with the intent of verification. Inspect means literally to look into, and includes the Latin root that you'll find in lots of other words related to look. Inspection is the word of the week. Inspection.